I have the OnePlus 13 and I'll be showing you how to change the Bluetooth name of your phone. So by default, your phone's name is the Bluetooth name, but to change it, you need to go to the Bluetooth settings. So you can go into settings, go to Bluetooth, and then under Bluetooth, of course with Bluetooth on, because if it's off, you cannot be able to change it. Bluetooth has to be on, and then now you can tap on device name, and then you can change it to whatever you want. So for instance, you can just tap delete that and put Chris, just like that. Or let me just put the full Chris's OnePlus. Like that, and then tap on save, and that's going to be my new Bluetooth name for my OnePlus 13. Now this is also going to change the name of the entire device. So if you check in the settings, if you go all the way to about phone or about device, you can see the entire device name has changed. So this will change the name of your device for nearby share. It will change the name of the device for hotspot, everything that requires the device name. You're going to use that new name. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips. I'd really appreciate that. And I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.